One of the biggest challenge that I face in my life is financial crisis. This caused me to have high levels of stress, anxiety, bankruptcy, and at times I feel like giving up. This video is for single moms who are going through a financial crisis at this moment and are looking for ways how they can increase their income so that their life can be better. Today I share with my single moms 3 side hustles that I have started. With these side hustles that I have started, I was able to earn extra income and also have more money for saving and investment. Hi guys, I want to welcome you back to my channel. My name is Melissa Hamilton. This is a channel where I empower single moms through motherhood. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. If you are returning, I also want you to feel welcome. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, and click the notification bell that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Without further ado, let's dive right into the 3 low-cost side hustle that single moms can start today. Side hustle number 1, start a home-based business. Side hustle number 2, start a baking and catering services business. Side hustle 3, start a cleaning services business. Now, starting a home-based business is very good for us as single moms because it provides us the flexibility. We can work at our own convenience, at our own timing. Anywhere in the world we can work from. If we are on vacation, we can also do our work just the same. So what are some of the home-based business that you can start? You can start an online store. You can start it with Etsy. You can also start it with Equid. Now these are some online businesses that you can get into. These online businesses are free to start. Also, you can look at getting into network marketing. I believe network marketing is very flexible. It also have a low startup cost to it. The support and the personal development that comes with network marketing, it is incredible. Starting a home-based business not only provides you with flexibility and a low startup cost, but it's a way for you to make extra income as a single mom to deal with the financial crisis that will come our way. And this is the reason why I chose home-based business to be the number 1 side hustle that you can start in 2023. Now let us look at side hustle number 2, which is baking and catering services. Side hustle number 2, baking and catering services. Now for persons who love to bake or love to in the kitchen cooking, this is something that you can use as a way how to make extra income on the side. I personally have not tried this because I am not a good cook or a good baker, but I definitely have friends who have used their passion for cooking and baking to start their home-based baking and catering services. You can start this by doing orders for birthdays. You can also do Christmas cakes. I have a girlfriend that every Christmas she makes a lot of money because she will take orders from us and other persons and do the delivery. Also, she will do like small events. If you have a birthday, she will do the cooking, the baking, and also the decorating. So this is something that single moms can look at, especially if you're good with baking and you're also good with decorating. Use these skill sets to make extra income for yourself and your children as a single mom. Learning to use what we are good at to make money or to monetize it is very important. And this leads me to my 3rd point, which is starting a cleaning services business. Now, My face is so lit up because this is something that I am doing for myself. Even now, I have my own cleaning services business. I love to clean. I love to see when the place is neat, and the decoration in the home setting as it relates to the interior decorating, it just looks well coordinated. It tells me something about the individual. It tells me something about even myself. So I love to do cleaning and decorate. I have a few clients that I do cleaning for. Now you can do residential lots, you can also do commercial businesses. Now the primary objective of a cleaning company is to offer solution to help the individuals or businesses. So if you love cleaning, monetize it. Provide a service for individuals or commercial businesses and make 2023. Finally, we can work our way through our financial crisis by starting these 3 side hustles: your home-based business, your baking and catering services, or your cleaning services. You can start them today that you can earn extra income for you and your family. Now, if you're a single mom and you have gotten value so far from this information, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this content with family and friends, and let them know that Melissa is here to empower single moms through motherhood. And I will see you next time.